Well, that was better. That was better.
Good boy. Hi. Are you waving? You waving hi to Mr. Teddy? Hi, Mr. Bradley. Hi. Whoa. Oh, good save. Oh, so much love. So nice. You like that light up there? Okay.
Let him up on the cart again.
Here, Bradley, come here. Wanna walk to Dada? Come on.
You have to pull him, load him up.
Come on. Teddy's on the cart. Look. Wait, what is he with his mouth?
Does he get something in there?
Yeah. What's in there? Let me see what's in the mouthy mouth. I think it's corn. I think it's okay. Oi. Go to Dada. Good job. Oh, there's Mr. Teddy. He's along for the ride. That's a good boy.
He's really doing it pretty well.
Come on.